We often see how celebrities don't age.
Audio Jungle.
कभी भी खुद से यूज़ मत करो बिकॉज अगर आप एक बार घी को जला देते, देर आर मेनी कंपनीज इन द मार्केट जो क्लेम करती हैं कि हम स्ट्रेच मार्क्स ठीक कर देते हैं. सो
हमारे आज के पॉडकास्ट में वी हैव डॉक्टर हरकीरत विद अस हु इज अ डॉक्टर ऑफ एस्थेटिक्स एंड ब्यूटिफाइंग which is already very beautiful our skins and our looks. आज डॉक्टर हरकीरत के साथ हम कुछ स्किन के मिथ्स के बारे में, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ों के बारे में जो कि हमारे स्किन केयर से रिलेटेड है, जिनके बारे में लोगों को डाउट्स होते हैं, उन चीज़ों के बारे में आज हम बात करेंगे कि क्या हमें करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. So ma'am, first of all, what do you want to say about the skincare routine that people like see on social media, but they don't know if that's all right for their skin type or not?
yes, so what people are basically doing is they are seeing the product, going to the market and just buying it. So they are seeing bulk of products, but it's most important thing is that whether they suit you or not. So who's gonna tell you is your doctor. Doctor will advise you whether they are suitable or not as per your skin type. Do not buy them and just use them. You might have a very good skin, but it may become an acne prone skin just because of your mistake of using a wrong product at the wrong time.
So ma'am, जिस बारे में अभी हमने बात की that people go to the market and they start buying products, ये काफी सारे teenagers के साथ होता है.
Yes.
who discover skincare ऐसे Instagram पे and then
Yeah.
they are like okay, so this influencer is using this product, I should use it
Yeah.
too. तो एक टीनेजर के लिए या किसी भी इंसान के लिए जिसने अपना स्किन केयर रूटीन शुरू करना है, तो कौन से ऐसे बेसिक कंपोनेंट्स हैं जो एक स्किन केयर रूटीन में होने चाहिए या फिर जो हमें रेगुलरली यूज करने ही चाहिए?
Yes. So, hyaluronic acid is the very important ingredient in your skincare routine. If you're using hyaluronic acid, it will give a plump to your skin, irrespective of the fact your skin is oily, your skin is combination, your skin is dry. It is the most safe product for your skin. You can use it twice a day, also in the morning and evening. There are no side effects. Secondly, you must have heard this term you used, teenager pimple, in these days only, because past 20 years back we never heard this term teenager pimple. And the main reason is, first you told yourself that influencers. So choose your influencer wisely. You should know that the person who's influencing you is certified and educated enough to guide you for that specific product. But if your influencer is not into that profession, then do not listen to their recommendations, because it might harm your skin and give you that teenager acne.
And I have heard this a lot कि if you have acne, if you have active acne, so you should not use a moisturizer, क्योंकि आप अपनी ऑयली स्किन के ऊपर फिर से कोई ऐसे मॉइस्चर की लेयर बिठा रहे हैं. इज इट ट्रू?
No, absolutely not. It's not at all true. If you have an acne prone skin, there are moisturizers for your skin type. You should see the ingredient list. In the ingredient list, if your moisturizer is telling you that it is water aqua based, then it is meant for your acne prone skin only. And if the moisturizer says it's oil based moisturizer, do not use it on your skin, because it is going to block the pores and block those acne and going to give you worse acne. So there are specific products for your specific skin type only.
ठीक है
And
मैम.
moisturizers are meant for acne prone skin also. So it is a myth.
यस मैम, बिल्कुल. तो मैम, हमने ऐसे कितनी बार देखा है दैट पीपल डोंट नो. अगर हम मार्केट में जाएं कोई एक प्रोडक्ट लेने, इफ आई वांट टू बाय सनस्क्रीन, तो मेरे सामने कितने ही टाइप की सनस्क्रीन्स है. हम सुनते हैं कि कोई मिनरल सनस्क्रीन है या किसी का SPF इतना है. हाउ डू वी नो कि हमारे लिए क्या सूटेबल है?
ਫਰਸਟਲੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਰੀਜਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਿਲੋਂਗ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਆ. ਨਾਓ ਇਨ ਇੰਡੀਆ we still have the ozone layer on the top of the surface. So we should use SPF 30, that will work wonder. We should use SPF 50, that will work wonder. But if you are living in a region where there is ozone depletion, for example, Australia, if you see Australian skin, they have a lot of skin sunburns or skin damages. Reason is because it is ozone depleted. Sun radiations are directly coming onto your skin and they are harming your skin. So you should use a stronger SPF product rather than the weaker one. Secondly, if you have an acne prone skin, oil based skin, acne prone skin, then you should use the products which are not at all oil based. Consider the sunscreen which is aqua based. But if you have a dry skin, consider the sunscreen which is oil based.
But in the end, you should always ask your doctor.
Yes, in the end, you should always ask your doctor. But apply sunscreen. It is very important. Do not step outside your home without sunscreen. And if you ask me, if you're sitting into your house also, use sunscreen at that time also, because radiations are coming through your tube lights also. And that is equally harmful.
Exactly, ma'am. So how often do we have to apply our sunscreen? Some people say apply it every 3 hours. Some people say apply it every 2 hours. And some people are like, okay, सुबह उठ के लगा ले, it's fine.
Yeah, सुबह उठ के लगा लिया, it's fine is much better, because when you overdo it, you are blocking your pores again. And redoing it frequently will give a negative impact to your skin, because you are blocking your pores, you are not letting your skin breathe, and that will lead to further acne which are very much damaging your skin. So what you should do is, in the morning when you wake up, do your skincare, and at the end apply your sunscreen. Just block all the moisture into your skin and protect your skin from those radiations. I even heard some patients come to me and they tell us that we are applying sunscreen at night also, and look, we have wrinkles and we have acne. You are doing it wrong. Sunscreen is not meant for application at night, because you are leading to damage of the barrier of your skin and hence leading to acne and wrinkling on your skin. So don't apply it at night.
बिल्कुल मैम, इसी चीज से जैसे आपने कहा कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि हम सनस्क्रीन लगाते हैं बट वी आर सीइंग दिस. सो क्या हमारी स्किन केयर के साथ कंसिस्टेंट रहना ही बहुत है, या फिर हमारी डेली लाइफ के और भी कितने चीजें होती हैं जो इस चीज पे इफेक्ट डाल सकती हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल. अगर तो आप कहते हो कि आप सब स्किन केयर अप्लाई कर रहे हो, यू आर हैविंग अ रूटीन. फर्स्टली रूटीन डजेंट मीन कि 15 दिन अप्लाई कर लिया तो असर क्यों नहीं आ रहा. नो, अगर आप उसको महीना 1.5 महीना अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आपको असर दिखेगा, नहीं तो आपको असर नहीं दिखेगा. सेकेंडली, कंसिस्टेंसी फॉर एवर. Not only 1.5 mahina, listen, it means forever. If you're applying it, apply it throughout your life to see that effect on your skin. Secondly, you asked, what was the question?
The lifestyle. आपका जो lifestyle या diet है,
It's very important. It's very important. Consider your diet as the most important thing. मैं कभी भी नहीं recommend करूँगी कि आप अगर कुछ मर्जी garbage, roughage, कुछ भी garbage खाओ और आपकी skin अच्छी हो. No. Roughage is very important. A good diet is very important. प्रोडक्ट्स अपना असर बाद में दिखाते हैं, डाइट अपना असर पहले दिखाती है.
and sleep, ma'am.
Sleep, you should have at least 8 to 9 hours of sleep.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you're having that much of sleep, you'll see a good impact on your skin.
Okay, ma'am. Now a personal question. You have been a medical student. As a medical student, I think you didn't get enough sleep in those years.
Yeah.
So how do you recommend students who are very busy with their lives, or maybe working professionals,
Yeah.
who can't find a lot of time to sleep?
Yeah.
So how do you, like, what do you recommend them for their skincare routine?
Yes, if you are into a profession which is keeping you very busy and
Like being a doctor.
like being a doctor, you're not getting enough of sleep, then please eat healthy, live a healthy lifestyle, do not take enough stress, and consistency to your routine. The products you are using it, get up, take bath, and immediately do your skincare routine. That is the main key, and that is what I am doing myself. I was in my MBBS, I was doing my graduation back then, and my routine was very consistent with my skincare. The first thing in the morning I used to do was take bath and do my skincare routine. So consistency is the key.
यस मैम. नाउ कमिंग टू डिफरेंट टॉपिक, हम ऐसे कितनी बार सुनते हैं कि लड़के और लड़कियों की स्किन केयर रूटीन में फर्क होता है। और कई बार अ लॉट ऑफ गाइज आर वेरी हेजिटेंट कि नहीं, स्किन केयर, अप्लाइंग मॉइस्चराइजर, यूजिंग अ सनस्क्रीन, यूजिंग अ लिप बाम, ये तो लड़कियों की चीज है, बट लड़कों के लिए भी स्किन केयर कितना जरूरी है?
Look, as important your car requires a care, your skin requires a care. सो स्किन केयर लड़कों के लिए भी उतनी ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है जितनी लड़कियों के लिए है. फ़र्क बस इतना है कि गर्ल्स स्किन इज़ क्वाइट सेंसिटिव and guys' skins are quite harsh comparatively. But in some cases, guys also get pimples and acne prone skins. You should not avoid it, or you should not say that, okay, I'm man, it's okay for me to have acne. No, it's not okay. You should take care of your skin. You should consult to your doctor if you have any of scars on your skin or acne on your skin. It's very important to maintain a specific routine also. So there are many products in the market, but depending upon the skin type, we can guide men also for the skin care.
प्लस मैम, बिकॉज आई थिंक कि लड़के और लड़कियों में एक ये भी डिफरेंस है दैट women हैव देयर ओन menstrual cycle,
Yes.
जो कि एक पूरा मंथ उनकी आई गेस स्किन को भी अफेक्ट करता है किसी तरह।
Absolutely affect करता है. Your hormones are gradually playing a very important role. Women body is 99% composed of hormones only. Hormones are playing a major role in women body, whereas comparatively to men's body is not that much operated or that much dependent upon hormones as a female body. So every month your estrogen, your progesterone, your oxytocins, they are going into several changes. So what you're going to do is you are going to maintain a consistency, and when you're going through your menses, take a very nourished diet. Do not take stress. Take enough of rest so that it doesn't show up on your skin.
Yes,
And yes, if you have menses and if you have 1 or 2 acne at that time, you can do spot treatment also, benzoyl peroxide, to resolve that issue.
yes ma'am. So ma'am, one underlying issue that people often overlook is stress.
Yes.
We have always heard that stress is the silent killer.
Yes.
You might be consistent with your skincare routine, you are having a clean diet, you exercise regularly, but if you're stressed 24/7, maybe because of work, maybe because of your personal life, does it show up on your skin?
Absolutely. If you are doing your skincare properly, if you are having a balanced diet, but you are stressful, everything is going to fail. No, nothing is going to show you any results, because stress is going to impact your brain muscles. It is going to send a negative feedback to your neuronal muscles, and hence your hormones will fluctuate and will show up on your skin, a negative impact. So it is very important, if you have a stress, burst it out. Just do something which gives you comfort.
Yes.
Do anything which gives you comfort and resolve your stress. But it is very important to just resolve it and live a very balanced life.
So can stress in the early years of your life can make you look mature, or it can bring those wrinkles?
Yes, it can pre-age you. Pre-aging हो जाती है अगर आप स्ट्रेस बहुत ज़्यादा लेते हो, और आपकी फेस पे wrinkles आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, because when you are in a stress, your eye muscles, they contract to some extent and leading to wrinkles around your eye area. So it is very common, and some people take stress and they just stretch their forehead muscles to some extent, leading to forehead wrinkles and lines, which we can commonly see in the society. So yes, stress, if you are in a stress, your skin will show that you are in a stress.
Okay, ma'am. Because we talked about aging, we often see how celebrities don't age, or they seem to not age. So what's the secret behind it? How do celebrities look so not their age?
Yeah, so the solution is in your household only. You should take ghee in your routine. ठीक है, 30 ml of ghee is quite good for you. Take a 30 ml of ghee the first thing in the morning, or you can take olive oil, even a better version of that. You can take a shot of olive oil. Secondly, there is an ingredient called resveratrol, जो कि ग्रेप्स का पाउडर ही है बेसिकली. उसको आप डेली लाइफ में कंज्यूम करोगे तो आपको रिंकल्स नहीं आएंगे, एंड आप अपनी एज से कम से कम 5-6 साल यंग लगोगे. रेस्वेराट्रॉल हैज़ वर्क वंडर इन मैनी पेशेंट्स केसेस. और थर्डली, collagen protein is very important. If you have crossed your 20s, start taking it immediately, because वो क्या करता है, वो आपके collagen is basically बेसिकली प्रोटीन, जो कि आपके स्किन इलास्टिसिटी को मेंटेन करके रखता है, आपकी स्किन को यंगर लुक एंड बूस्टिंग लुक देता है. सो दीज आर द बेसिक थिंग्स विच सेलेब्स आर डूइंग.
ओके, सो जैसे अब मैं सुबह उठ के ब्रेकफास्ट में गरम फुल्के पे घी लगाती हूँ, वुड इट हेल्प मी?
No, बिल्कुल नहीं. That won't help you. That will be a substitute of fat rather than a substitute of a good ingredient. Once you are burning a ghee, अगर आप एक बार घी को जला देते हो, उसमें से धुआं निकल आता है, उसको जला देते हो, इट्स ऑफ नो यूज़. इट्स अ डायरेक्ट सोर्स ऑफ फैट. बट अगर आप घी को कच्चा पी रहे हो बिना जलाए, उसका शॉट ले रहे हो एम्प्टी स्टमक इन द मॉर्निंग, इट्स गोइंग टू वर्क वंडर. सेकेंडली, आपको अगर आप घी ले रहे हो तो आपको अपनी कैलोरी इनटेक को ज़रूर इन टच में रखना है. बिकॉज ये नहीं है कि आप मॉर्निंग में घी ले रहे हो, शाम में पराठा ले रहे हो, रात में फिर आप कुछ तला ले रहे हो, ऑयल बेस्ड ले रहे हो. नो, इफ़ यू आर टेकिंग घी इन द मॉर्निंग, देन इन द एंटायर डे यू नीड टू कट डाउन योर कैलोरीज. बिकॉज कैलोरी इनटेक तो आपका है, बट वो उसका फ़ायदा क्या होगा? उसका फ़ायदा आपकी स्किन पे होगा कच्चे घी का, कि वो आपकी स्किन को ग्लो देगा और आपकी स्किन को रिंकल्स से बचा के रखेगा.
मैम, जैसे वेट फ्लक्चुएशन होती है, उसका इफेक्ट पड़ता है हमारी स्किन पे?
Yes.
If I lose a lot of weight
Yes.
in a month, or if I gain a lot of weight?
Yes, it will definitely cause an impact on your skin. आपकी स्किन की इलास्टिसिटी, विच वी टॉक्ड अबाउट कॉलेजन ऑल्सो, उससे क्या होता है कि कॉलेजन ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है. अगर आप इमीडिएटली वेट गेन कर लेते हो या बहुत ज़्यादा वेट लूज़ हो जाता है, तो आपकी कॉलेजन ब्रेक डाउन होता है, स्किन सैगी हो जाती है, लूज स्किन हो जाती है, आपकी स्किन पे स्ट्रेच मार्क्स आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू हैव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन योर स्किन. बट देर आर मेनी कंपनीज इन द मार्केट जो क्लेम करती हैं कि हम स्ट्रेच मार्क्स ठीक कर देते हैं. सो स्ट्रेच मार्क्स आर ऑफ मेनी टाइप्स. रूब्रा, लाइग्रा, देर आर मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ स्ट्रेच मार्क्स. रेड कलर के स्ट्रेच मार्क्स होते हैं, पिंक कलर के स्ट्रेच मार्क्स होते हैं, वाइट कलर के स्ट्रेच मार्क्स होते हैं. द स्ट्रेच मार्क्स विच आर वाइट इन कलर कैन नेवर बी ट्रीटेड, कैन नेवर बी रिजॉल्व. इफ सम डॉक्टर इज क्लेमिंग इट, आई एम सॉरी, दैट्स कंप्लीटली अ फॉल्स क्लेम. वो कभी भी ठीक नहीं हो सकता.
And is it also true in the case of pregnancy in women?
Yes, in pregnancy in women, if your stretch marks are of red color, initially they are red in color, start applying oil, start moisturizing your skin. Coconut oil you have in your house, start applying it. Those red stretch marks will disappear with the time. But if with the time they have turned into a white stretch mark, then I'm sorry, there is no solution for that.
Yes, ma'am. So I guess ये एक honesty जरूर होनी चाहिए.
Yes.
Some people are just living off these myths कि ऐसा हो.
Yes, doctors will tell you, come give settings, 10 settings दे दो, 20 settings दे दो, हम ठीक कर देंगे. पर वाइट स्ट्रेच मार्क्स कभी ठीक नहीं होंगे.
Yes, ma'am. और अभी आपने कोलेजन की बात की है, तो कोलेजन हमने ये देखा, चाहे कोलेजन हो जाए, रेटिनॉल हो जाए, हम एंटी एजिंग कितनी चीजें देखते हैं, चाहे टीवी पे एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स आती हैं कि पीपल हु हैव क्रॉस देयर 30s 40s देन दे स्टार्ट टू सी दोस रिंकल्स एंड देन दे आर लाइक ओके वी शुड डू समथिंग. बट आइडियली इट शुड स्टार्ट पहले, राइट?
absolutely.
So okay, now a personal question. I am turning 20 this year. So should I gift myself collagen?
Yes, absolutely. When you have crossed your 20s or you're crossing your 20s, start using collagen, because slowly you will build those protein molecules in your body. When you're turning 40s later on in your age, you will not see those wrinkles appearing on your skin, because you had maintained a routine, you had maintained a leak of those collagens in your life, and they will show a positive impact on your skin later on in your age.
Okay, ma'am. And retinol is a very hot topic in the market right now.
Yeah, right.
And even on social media. Some people use retinol for their acne, maybe hyperpigmentation,
Yes.
or something. Everywhere you go, there's someone talking about retinols.
Yeah.
So what is a retinol? When should it be used? And हमें कब से शुरू करना चाहिए?
Yeah.
Because I think it's not safe for a teenager to use retinol.
Yeah. So retinols firstly should not be used by everybody. If you have a clear skin, your skin is sensitive, your skin is non-oily, non-acne prone skin, retinols are not meant for you. You should not use it because your skin is not in a condition to use retinols. Secondly, people are using retinols in the morning also. It's a big no. You are doing damage to your skin. Retinols are meant to be used in the PM, in the evening routine, in the evening skincare. Because when retinol get exposed to those sun radiations, that chemical start acting upon your skin. उससे क्या होता है कि आपकी स्किन को बर्निंग सेंसेशन आनी शुरू हो जाती है. सो रेटिनॉल्स कभी भी दिन के टाइम मत यूज़ करो, उनको हमेशा इवनिंग में यूज़ करो. Thirdly, retinols आपको तब यूज़ करने चाहिए when they are recommended to you as per your skin type. उनको कभी भी खुद से यूज़ मत करो, बिकॉज अगर आप अनप्रिस्क्राइब्ड फॉर्म में रेटिनॉल यूज़ कर रहे हो तो वो क्या करता है, डीप लेयर्स ऑफ योर स्किन को बर्न कर देता है. रेटिनॉल हैज़ अ कैपेसिटी टू बर्न योर स्किन टू, लीडिंग टू रैशी, इरिटेबल, रेडनेस, extremely damaged skin. Patients come to us with the damaged skin, and then we recommend them to not to use any harmful product because उनकी स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव होती है. सो रेटिनॉल्स नहीं यूज़ करने चाहिए until and unless you are not recommended.
बिल्कुल मैम. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, व्हाट इज अ मेजर मिथ दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फॉलो इन योर करियर एज अ डॉक्टर and treating people with skin issues? And is there anything that a lot of people think that it's right to do, but it's so not right to do?
Yeah. So, firstly, people have this thing कि अगर हम सनस्क्रीन नहीं भी लगाते तो हमारा चल सकता है. नहीं चल सकता. अगर आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगा रहे हो तो इन योर लेट 30s you'll start seeing wrinkles appearing on your skin. एंड आपके wrinkles का मेन रीज़न यही होता है कि आपने अपने 20s में सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई नहीं की. सन सिर्फ आपको बर्न्स नहीं देगा, सन सिर्फ आपको टैनिंग नहीं देगा, सन आपको रिंकल्स देगा, सन आपकी एजिंग को प्री एजिंग कर देगा. यू विल एज वेरी फास्ट.
And I've also heard कि maybe sunscreen can also prevent skin cancer. किसी हद तक.
एब्सोल्युटली, बिकॉज जब आपको सन रेडिएशंस आपकी स्किन पर आ रही हैं और आपने कोई भी बैरियर नहीं रखा हुआ अपनी स्किन के ऊपर, सनस्क्रीन नहीं अप्लाई करी है, तो सन की रेडिएशंस जो हैं वो आपकी स्किन के सेल्स को इतना हद तक डैमेज कर देती हैं कि वो कल को कैंसर भी हो सकता है आपको. यू कैन गेट एक्सपोज टू skin cancer very easily if you are not applying sunscreen on your skin.
ओके मैम. और ऐसा कुछ जो कि एज अ डॉक्टर आपको लगता है कि सबको करना चाहिए, इंक्लूड करना चाहिए अपनी स्किन के रूटीन में, बट पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट इट?
Yes, you should definitely include a serum. आपके स्किन के अकॉर्डिंगली सिरम्स मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं, बट डोंट यूज़ देम ऑन योर ओन, बिकॉज कई सिरम्स इतने हाईली केमिकलेटेड होते हैं, लाइक AHA BHA सिरम्स भी अवेलेबल है मार्केट में. पीपल यूज़ देम और अगले दिन कहते हैं हाय मेरी स्किन रेड हो गई, रैशेज हो गए हैं मेरी स्किन पे, व्हाट टू डू व्हाट नॉट टू डू. सो सिरम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, but depending upon your skin type again. So consult your doctor before using any of such product.
जी मैम, बिल्कुल. सो मैम एक चीज़ है दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल don't even know that they should use a certain product or not, and they go for it because of one or the
Advertisements.
and not even just that, but if you're in a family, और अगर आपकी बहन ने कोई फेस वॉश ऑर्डर किया, आपकी
Right.
बहन कोई सिरम यूज
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं and you start using it too,
Yeah.
is it right to do, or should you always consider a doctor before starting
It's
anything?
absolutely wrong, because if you are living in the same family, it is not important कि आपको हेरिडिटरीली सबकी स्किन टाइप सेम होगी. नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. इफ़ यू आर 4 people in a family, the probability is 90:10 कि 90% आप सबकी स्किन टाइप डिफरेंट होगी और 10% आपकी स्किन टाइप सेम होगी. सो डू नॉट यूज सेम प्रोडक्ट्स विच योर एल्डर सिस्टर, ब्रदर, मदर, एनी ऑफ द फैमिली मेम्बर इज यूजिंग, बिकॉज इट माइट बी द प्रोबेबिलिटी कि वो पर्सन जो प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहा है माइट बी वो केमिकलेटेड और किसी पर्टिकुलर इशू को फोकस करके यूज़ कर रहा हो, और आपको वो इशू नहीं भी और आपने अप्लाई कर लिया तो इट विल लीड टू सेंसिटिविटी इन योर स्किन. सो नेवर डू दैट मिस्टेक.
I'm talking about teenagers. Teenage acne is very common, maybe because of the heightened hormones, or maybe
Yeah.
the oily skin. Lifestyle too.
Yeah, that is the major role. I have seen mothers feeding their children market-fed food rather than home-fed food. So teenager acne अभी शुरू हुए हैं होने, नहीं तो आज से 20 साल पहले नहीं थे teenager acne.
Some common things that they should do to prevent it.
Yeah. So, firstly, you should take a very balanced diet. Balanced diet is roti, fulka. हम नहीं कहते कि avocado खाओ. We won't recommend have blueberries, have avocados. No, if you don't want to have it, it's your choice. But have a roti chapati at home only. Do not depend upon burgers and pastas for a good skin. If you want a good skin, then you need to have a balanced diet. That is very important.
Maybe when we talked about celebrity skin, it is also a difference because they have a very clean diet and the
Yes.
diet that they strictly follow.
Yes, they follow a very clean diet. I have heard an interview of Kareena Kapoor herself in which she proclaims that I did an advertisement with the Lay's brand and she was asked to eat a one piece of chips. But she refused. She said, I won't eat this one piece of chips because it is equivalent to two chapatis. So she rejected that and then they just asked her to advertise it in this way rather than consuming it. So you should get an idea from these little things that how much these things are having a negative impact on your skin and body. So absolutely, it's a big no. Don't eat market fed food. Eat a home fed balanced diet for a good skin.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, a very serious question. When we talk about applying sunscreen, preventing you from getting skin cancer,
Yeah.
what are the early signs if someone can detect that they might have skin cancer?
Yes.
And how should they prevent it?
Yes.
Especially if you also have a history of skin cancer in your
Yeah.
family.
If you're not applying your sunscreen, the UV radiations from the sun rays are going to harm your skin cells, and the early signs are melasma. Melasma is change in the color of your skin, जिसको आप लोग layman की language में tanning कहते हो. Tanning goes with the time if you are doing your skincare after being exposed to radiations and you are following your skincare as such, it will go with the time. But if you are re-exposing it, you will develop melasma. Melasma will darken, and then later on your skin cells will burn to such an extent that it will lead to cancer cells in your body. So initially, if you have developed any of the dark patch on your skin or redness or itchiness on your skin, immediately consult your doctor and tell them honestly your skincare routine, what you are doing and what you are not doing, so that they can guide you for a better lifestyle.
Yes, ma'am. And how important is water in a skincare routine?
Stay hydrated.
How much should you
I will
drink?
not tell you to have 3 liters of water. That is what mostly these days you people are hearing. You drink 2 liters, 3 liters of water. No. Every person has a different drinking capacity. Your kidney cannot take water above a specific level because at the end, ultimately, it's going to put pressure on your kidney to dilute that water and just urinate it. So drink at least sufficient water to keep you fulfilled, to keep you hydrated. If one glass of water in the morning is giving you satisfaction, drink one glass of water in the morning, one in the evening, one in the night. Complete at least 1 to 1.5 liters of water. That is good. But don't drink 3 liters of water. Some laymen are saying in the market that drink 3 liters of water, it's going to give you no benefit. Adversely, it will impact your kidney only. आपकी किडनी का नुकसान हो जाएगा. So इतना भी पानी नहीं पीना, इतना कम भी नहीं पीना. Drink 1 and 1.5 liter of water. That is sufficient for you.
So I think आज हमें काफी clarity मिल गई.
Yeah.
Use a face wash. Use a moisturizer. A sunscreen is a must. Drink a lot of water. And should we avoid sunlight?
No, it's okay.
A lot of people say that you should avoid sunlight.
No, it's okay if you are exposed to sunlight, but you should have applied your sunscreen before the
Because
exposure.
especially यहाँ पंजाब में अभी जो दिसंबर जनवरी का महीना है, हमें बहुत होता है कि धूप सेकनी है. तो धूप में जाने से पहले, बिकॉज हमारे जो कई बार पेरेंट्स है, उन्होंने उस टाइम पे स्किन केयर का इतना नहीं सुना था,
Right.
सो दे डोंट नो कि उनको सनस्क्रीन लगानी चाहिए.
Yes.
एंड आई टेल माई पेरेंट्स, माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कि आप बाहर बैठने जा रहे हो धूप में, यू शुड अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन.
Yes.
सो हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज दैट?
Yes, ये भी नहीं है कि अभी आप बाहर निकल रहे हो तो सनस्क्रीन लगा के निकलो. यू शुड अप्लाई इट हाफ एन आवर अर्लियर. ठीक है, आधा घंटे पहले सनस्क्रीन लगाओ अपनी स्किन पे बाहर निकलने से पहले, और फिर उसके बाद धूप सेको. उसका कोई
And a
नुकसान नहीं है.
very small thing that people say that you should also use a lip balm which has SPF.
Yes, if you have developed dark lips, और आपकी लिप्स के ऊपर भी पिगमेंटेशन होनी शुरू हो गई है, तो उसके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए आप SPF बेस्ड यूज़ कर सकते हो लिप बाम. बट वी हैव एंटी ब्लीचिंग एजेंट्स ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट. हाइड्रोक्विनोन 4% क्रीम अवेलेबल होती है, फार्मासिस्ट शॉप पे आपको मिल जाएगी ईजिली. उसको आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो जहाँ पे भी आपके हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन है, फेस पे, लिप्स पे, एनी वेयर यू हैव, यू कैन अप्लाई इट फॉर द बेनिफिट पर्पज.
And I have seen a lot of people who apply sunscreen. They don't apply it on their neck, they don't apply it on their ears, they don't apply it on their hands.
Yes, it is very important. Whenever you're doing your skincare routine, starting from your toner to your sunscreen, every step, do it on your neck, on your ear, on your hand. It is very important. All your exposed parts should be covered in your skincare routine.
Bilkul, mom. So, ma'am, in the end of this podcast, do you want anything that our viewers should know or should keep in mind, जो कि अभी हमने बात शायद नहीं की है,
Yeah.
या फिर any last message from your side to our viewers?
Yes, the most important thing is consistency is very important in your skincare routine. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, if you are coming to us ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਸਿਆ, ਫਰਕ ਹਫਤੇ 15 ਦਿਨ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਸੇਗਾ. ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸਰ ਦਿਸਦੇ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਲੱਗ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਸਟੇ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ, ਸਟੇ ਕਾਮ ਐਂਡ ਬੀ ਕੰਸਿਸਟੈਂਟ. ਕਦੀ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਛੱਡੋ ਅਗਰ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਰეკਮੈਂਡੇਟਡ ਆ, until and unless ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਡੇਢ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਬੀ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ, ਬੀ ਕਾਮ, ਐਂਡ ਸੈਕੰਡਲੀ ਟੇਕ ਲੈਸ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਇਨ ਯੋਰ ਲਾਈਫ. ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਕੋਈ ਸਕਿਨ ਕੇਅਰ ਅਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੇਗੀ, ਕੋਈ ਡਾਈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸਰ ਕਰੇਗੀ. ਸਟ੍ਰੈਸ ਵਿਲ ਟੇਕ ਦ ਪ੍ਰਾਇਓਰਿਟੀ ਐਂਡ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਕਿਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਅਸਰ ਦਿਖਾਏਗਾ ਹੀ ਦਿਖਾਏਗਾ. ਸੋ ਸਟੇ ਵਾਈਸਲੀ, ਸਟੇ ਨਾਈਸਲੀ, ਇੰਜੋਏ ਯੋਰ ਲਾਈਫ.
And visit Dr. Harkirat.
Thank you so much.
है ना?
Yeah.
And you're practicing in Punjab.
Yes, I'm practicing in Punjab, Jalandhar Model Town. Rest you'll get the contact in the, you can mention my contact, you can contact us over there.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. This was our conversation with Dr. Harkirat. For more such content, please subscribe.